we could not make any videos because of our online exams, and now we got the time to make. So today we are going to be making an easy and tasty evening snack. But before we begin, I hope you all are staying safe at your homes. Be strong. Now here also, like a lot of COVID-19 cases, and in India, in our Kerala country, we have a lot of COVID-19 cases. So because of that, stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay.
And don't get tension. Be strong.
Yeah, strong.
Guys, here are the ingredients. So the first ingredient is smashed potato, which we have earlier boiled also. Then chopped onions, half tablespoon chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, then 1 chopped chili and leaves. If you want, you can add extra spicy leaves. Then we have 1 egg. After that, semolina, which we call it in Malayalam rava. So guys, the first thing we are going to do is put the smashed potato first, which we have earlier boiled. After that, we'll put chopped onion. After putting chopped onion, we'll put chili. Then half tablespoon chili and turmeric powder. Then after that, semolina. I think so, 3 tablespoons semolina. Then 1 egg. After that, take the spoon, put some egg. Then after that, we'll have to mix it with our hands. After crunching it, we'll have to make it as a ball. Sorry, I did not tell you in the ingredients to add some salt. We'll have to add some salt. We have made also balls, 4 of them. After that, we have made them into balls. After making them into balls, we'll have to fry them. We have came to the kitchen and the frying pan has become hot. We have kept the frying pan now. After that, we'll have to put some oil. This happened in the last easy and tasty evening snack in which we put oil again. And now after putting the oil, we'll have to put the rolls which we have earlier made. After when the pan got, sorry I did not told that line in which the pan now has got hot. After that, we'll have to put this balls potato rolls which we earlier rolled, and like that. Wow, it started like roasting. And it has started. After when we put the rolls, they have now started color changing. The in which we put. After when they have started color changing, we'll have to flip it. Now it has become gold brownish color. It looks very tasty from my mouth. Water is coming also now. It is very easy and tasty to make. The ingredients we have shown you in your house. If you have those ingredients, you can make also. It is very easy and tasty too. Now we'll take the other rolls. These are the last 3 pieces of them. Now we'll have to put them in the pan also. This is actually not chicken, but it's vegetable kebab. And instead of this semolina, you can even put breadcrumbs. Sorry, we did not put any peas or something. We only got potato because of this pandemic situation. We cannot go outside and buy peas and all. So instead of that, we use potato. And now we'll have to flip it, the same process only. Now it has finished roasting. After the 3 pieces got roasted, now we'll have to put it in the plate. So guys, here now we have made it. It's now the potato kebab.
And look the inside.
Yeah. this is the inside part of it. You see how it is? Yeah, it's yummy. Yeah. Instead of this potato, you can add beans or carrot. We cannot buy those because of this COVID-19 pandemic. And yeah, she told that if there was a hot coffee, it would be more super. And also with this, you can even add ketchup also. And instead of semolina, you can even put breadcrumbs. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you later guys. Bye.